Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In today's video, I will be showing you how you can add another account on your Messenger app. So without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, open the Messenger app on your device. Then in the top left corner, you'll see an icon with 3 lines. Tap on that icon. Similarly, tap on the downwards arrow that is besides your name. Now tap on the plus icon with add account besides it. You'll now be asked to enter your phone number or email along with your password. Enter your phone number or your email address. Then enter your password. Tap on the login button. Finally, you'll now be logged in to your another account. So if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and also leave a comment down below.